So I made 3 mistakes in my very first YouTube video. So let's talk about that. Hey y'all, Flossie O'Reilly here, and I wanted to talk about the 3 mistakes that I made in my very first YouTube video. Mistake number 1, audio. Yeah, I thought it would be a great idea to go outside and just stand in my backyard and do a quick video because I have 5 kids and they're crazy and they're loud and there's no way I can do it inside, and taking videos at night has been an issue trying to figure out lighting because, well, just because. So I'm trying to figure out what's the best spot to do these videos in, and I was like, it'll be easy, I'll just go in my backyard, no problem. Yeah, I live right next to a highway, and I don't know if you noticed, but any sound guy that listened to that first video is probably crying in his little pillow right now. Oh my goodness. I put those headphones on after I got the footage in my computer, and I was like, what is that sound? How can I make it go away? And I googled and I googled and I googled, and I could not find a way to get those noises off my audio. And basically everything that I did find was like, sorry bro, your stuff's trash. It's gone. You know what? It's a learning process, and that's kind of the point of this channel, is to show my mistakes. Mistake number 2, angles. Hello, I'm a photographer. I should know my angles, but I thought, you know what? Filming down here seems like a really great idea. So then that way my body looks huge and my head looks tiny. Yeah, stupid. I'm here on my camera phone, or the phone. Wait, this is my phone and there's a camera on it, and that's what I'm using to record this video because I spent all this time looking for a nice quiet spot, and I was like, oh, I'll go to this park, it'll be nice and quiet, and it's pretty quiet. There's a few motorcycles that go by here and there, but you know, you can always pause for that. And yeah, I didn't bring the battery to my camera, so you know, mom brain. Duh. Yeah, so mistake number 2, angles. Make sure you give yourself a beautiful angle so that, you know, yeah, I mean, it's not vain. Everybody wants to look nice. It's not a bad idea. Come on, come on. Showing myself to the world here. I want to look nice. Not a problem. And then finally, mistake number 3 was I didn't even color grade. I did not do any kind of fine tuning of the edit. I did not add or take away contrast. Like literally the footage was put into the editing program. I added, you know, chopped it up where I wanted to, added some music to the background, and presented it to the world. And so basically now I understand. I think I was watching a different YouTube about something else later on, and she mentioned you know, adding different I think it's called Lux. I don't even know. I'm still learning. So anyways, but she was adding these extra adjustment layers to her footage, so then that way it actually looked really cinematic. It looked really beautiful. And I was like, oh my goodness, I didn't do that to mine. No wonder it looked really weird and it was a little bit overexposed. My bad. And so yeah, basically, don't do that. If you want your video to look really beautiful and you want it to look more cinematic, you want to color grade it. You want to put it through a program like After Effects or something like that, where you can add beautiful adjustments to it, and then do all the chopping and adding music and sound effects and blah 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 blah. So those are my top 3 mistakes. Learn from mine, try not to do that in yours, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can continue following me on my ridiculous journey of becoming a filmmaker, and also, you know, give me a thumbs up if you like what you're seeing, and, you know, maybe a howdy hey in the comments. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. That looks nice. Yeah.